Happy Friday, moms and dads, boys and girls. So, truth be told, this is my 4th attempt trying to do this. So we're going to try and move through it as quick as we can. All right, so today's book, it's called Seagull Sid, and it's by the same author who you may remember from last week when I read I Need a New Butt. Dawn McMillan. She's pretty awesome. So we'll just go right into it. Seagull Sid and the naughty things his seagulls did. All right. We'll tell you the story of Seagull Sid and the naughty things his seagulls did to reclaim what gulls had owned before people came to the sandy shore. These people brought boats and surf skis, fantastic, but they littered the beach with cans and plastic. They lay on the sand, row upon row, with tummies and bottoms that are up for show. With radios blasting the quiet sea air, with barbecues, picnics, and food everywhere, while the gulls stood hunchback, quiet and dumb, waiting for someone to throw them a crumb. "Enough," said Sid one sunny Sunday. "Come, my friends, we'll chase them away. Time to be rid of this intruder called man. Let's get together and think of a plan." A grand plan they agreed on, simple and clear. Sid strutted with pride, it was all his idea. The seagulls stood tall and fluffed up each feather. "Ready?" said Sid. "Let's do this together." They took off in convoy, all flying low. Sid took the lead, the first one to go. SPLAT on the hat of a picnicker below. Splat! There was a picnic, all ready to eat. Bombs away! Sid led the fleet. Bullseye on the apple pie, no mistake on the chocolate cake. Right on every scone. Kerplink in the drink, grand slam, a hit on the ham. Plop, splop, splish, splash, slosh. Then special assignments for a chosen few. Tricky tasks for skilled gulls to do. "Got 'em," said Jim. "Good job," said Bob. "Great shot," said Dot. "Near miss," said Chris. "Bingo! Cool! Fantastic! Bad luck!" "Direct hit," said Kit. "Got my man," said Jan. "I hit the towel," said Howell. "On his back," said Jack. "Right on! Yes! Good one and yuck!" What a team! Kit, Jan, Howell, Jack, Jim, Bob, Dot, and Chris working together with only one miss. Hurrah! And then there was Frida, with potential as leader, but they didn't need her. Oh, what a shame! Because, with a scurry and flurry, the people left in a hurry. Drivers in cars anxious to go, boats and surf skis all in tow, picnics abandoned, no radio! Sid and his mates all gathered round, the remains of a picnic there on the ground. A victory feast, but first the speeches. "Yes, seagulls, we'll take back the beaches." Applause for Sid as he squawked in praise of his seagulls' courage and winning ways. "Thank you, team," Sid cried out loud. You were right on target. I'm so proud. Splat attacks with such precision. Of course I made the right decision. I used my plan. It was a winner. And now, my friends, you may eat your dinner. The end. So, by the time that story is done, I still can't help but wonder, what's up with, Frida? Anyways, put in your comments what you think. How do you feel about Frida? Or anything else that you may feel. Alright? Let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, and be safe, be kind to one another, because social media can be a powerful bullying tool, and I don't like bullying. So, hang in there. We'll get through this quarantine together, and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Alright? Peace and love.